कायद्याचं पोझिशन म्हाका खबर आहा की रजिस्ट्रेशनाक जेन्ना डॉक्युमेंट येतात तेन्ना तांचो अधिकार जे आसात ते लिमिटेड आसात. पण कायदो मंत्री तुमी आसात. नवीन जर कायदो हाडपाक जाय जाल्यारय तुमीच हाडपाक जाय. आनी जशें तुमी रायटली सांगले रजिस्ट्रेशनाच्यो सगळ्योच गजाली बदलतात न्ही. ओनरशीप धरून टायटल धरून सगळें बदलतात. सरकार अशें एका कायद्याचेर विचार करतले काय कितें की रजिस्ट्रेशनाच्या टायमारूय हें व्हेरिफिकेशन जावपाक शकतलें. बिकॉज अल्टिमेटली रजिस्ट्रेशन इज द फूल अँड फायनल थिंग.
No, see, first of all, 1908 तो Registration Act असा, it is a central act.
Correct.
आणि आता पयर बिल देखून हांवें केला. I cannot do all. It has to get accent from the president.
Yes.
So whatever
no,
I
but
try
in view of this, don't you think state government should attempt?
No,
and involve center also.
No, as a law minister, I have been writing. I can show you correspondence to make the system more people friendly, but also make it somebody accountable. आणि जे गोष्टी जावपाक आता कितें जाता रजिस्ट्रेशन एक्ट इज जस्ट अ डॉक्युमेंट रजिस्ट्रेशन. युअर पेड टॅक्सीज आणि रजिस्टर केले मागीर फुडें. पण एटलीस्ट ते सर्च रिपोर्ट करपाक खूब लागता. आतां पळय नील इनकम सर्टिफिकेट म्हणटा पळय.
करेक्ट.
नील इनकम सर्टिफिकेट शी वेन आय स्टार्टेड इट 2 years back. Now I have Supreme Court and when what is the thing what I had started, I'll just explain to you. Maybe I don't go out to press too much like you, but I have to tell you today since you are asking me. No, see what happened. आता पळय Supreme Court, High Court आता online monitoring करता. So I had initiated this 2.5 back when I started writing to the Central Minister, and all these things where we have now got even the Supreme Court action where people have now nil income certificate value aspak jai. So for what I have done, so any document which has a case or anything should now court orders, whether it is from the deputy collector level, Mamdar level, whether it is judicial matter, should show reflect on the nil income certificate. So now we are making online. On state Goa level, we have taken GL on board. Systems are now, all the cases which are happening now are getting updated. Fast cases also we are trying to do. I have been asking the Chief Justice of Bombay High Court to put online. He is also very for म्हाका दिसता वयर जेन्ना पयलींचो चीफ जस्टीस आशिल्लो तेकडे आमी सांगलेलें आनी दे आर ऑल इन बट इज गोइंग टू टेक टायम. इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी इजी. सो नील इनकम सर्टिफिकेट जेन्ना दिता आय थिंक दॅट टायम दॅट टायटल डॉक्युमेंट म्हणटा पळय विल कम व्हेरी हँडी. सो आज म्हाका दिसता जेन्ना आमचो लास्ट जेनिफर बाय आसतना आमचो सेक्रेटरी आसलो नांव विसरलो तेजो आतां तो ट्रान्सफर जाला तेणी प्रॉपर्टी रजिस्टर केलो. तूं जर ऑनलायन गेलो न्ही you will find that he has created a property register where we have merged election department, PWD, registration department, sale deeds. So in a particular sale deed, Babu Shada Babu Shada will make a system where everything on that property in that survey number 114, you will be able to know what is there and how many sale deeds have happened, what is there in the past.
Yeah.
आता आम्ही करपाचे आसा because now the scanning करपाचे आसता but some are deteriorated, so I can't do. So म्हाका भिरांत दिसता की स्कॅन करपाक लागल्यार कोणाचे डुप्लिकेट स्कॅन बी घालत म्हण. Anyway, we have to make a start. Maybe we are wrong. At least we will be able to. So हांवें स्कॅनिंग चालू केल्लें आसा and we are going to scan all documents available on a particular survey number. And we will be able to see, public will be able to see on the property register. This is what I want to do.